Well, one of the reasons I like Exelos, and we can delegate this to our staff, my nurses can do it, my esthetician can do it, is it's unbelievably safe. One of the risks of RF always is if you lose contact to the skin, it can arc and you can get a blister. And the last thing you want to see is a lady who's coming in for a totally non-invasive event and ends up with a little red blister and she needs makeup and she's not happy with that. We've never seen that. I don't know how many thousands of areas we've done with Exelos. We've never seen it arc because it's got a built-in safety mechanism that if even for a moment there's loss of contact of the device with the skin, the machine shuts off. So we've never had a spark or an arc. Where we used RF with our old Syneron machine, which was an IPL machine, which was bipolar, had two little metal rails on the side of the light-emitting diode. If you canted it just a little bit off the skin, it would arc. So that's a major improvement on delivering transcutaneous RF. Is they call it EFC, or energy flow control.